Hello, this is Sarah Emery with Concentrus. Today, I wanted to share a short and sweet tip for automatically billing your sales orders. So this technique can also be used for project billing and other types of billing activities, but I'm going to walk through sales orders specifically, although the processes and the logic is identical either way. So if I go to transactions, billing, schedule billing operations, this will take me to the interface that will allow me to create a new billing operation schedule. So I'm just going to call this sales orders to bill and automatically. Okay. So I've added a description, always a best practice, and you'll notice I've indicated what my frequency is going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up. I'm going to do an hourly frequency that will repeat every 6 hours. I'm going to run this starting today at, let's do 5 p.m. Okay, and then you can do your as of date as a different date, but for this application, because we are doing sales orders, I'm going to go ahead and just have it set up like this. I'm not going to worry about credit memos right now, so I'm just going to focus on bills. This is billing activity, so we're talking cash sales and invoices. Okay, I'm going to do this for my subsidiary. And I'm not going to limit this to a specific customer or group, although you can do that. I'm going to go ahead and select all customers. And instead of doing charges, time, expenses, I'm going to go ahead and limit this to sales orders. And I'm going to select a saved search that I pre-created. So you can do a specific subset here. So you would do that by creating a saved search that limited the orders to just that list. Oops, let's do sales orders to bill. Oops. And I'm going to go ahead and leave this as the default. So default accounts receivable. And I'm going to respect the customer preference for printing, emailing, and faxing. So that means it will not override anything that is set up as a default on the customer record. And I will save. And this will automatically run as of my schedule that's identified. I can have multiple billing schedules set up. So if you want to have distinct billing schedules per subsidiary or different scenarios for expenses, time, charges, et cetera, you can set those up individually. And if I wanted to kick this off now, I could go ahead and hit this Run Now button. Should I ever need to make adjustments or see the schedules that I have, I can come to that same area, but just go to List. And that will show me a list of all of the billing schedules that have been configured. So this will automatically generate the billing activity for all of my sales orders that meet the criteria based on the saved search. So saves the manual process of having to do your bulk billing batches. I hope you found that helpful. I know this is a frequently requested addition, so I hope you found that useful. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Take care.